Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are pretty fine. You can see this bonsai plant. You can see this plant, it is unhealthy, and this is orange plant which is bonsai plant. I bought this plant 8 years ago. It was very healthy and I have taken lots of fruits, but it is not fruiting for 1 year. I want to take lots of fruits. I want to change this pot because this pot is very small. A small pot is not giving energy to this plant. I am taking out bonsai from this pot. You can see roots of this plant. I am removing soil which is on the root. Roots are very healthy. I am putting 50% soil and I will use 50% coco peat. I am thinking I should use 90% coco peat and I use 10% soil. I should mix coco peat and 10% soil. I have filled pot from coco peat. We will see after 3 days. I will remove all leaves. After 3 days you can see new leaves are growing. Please watch full video. New leaves are growing so beautiful. After 16 days, you can see this result. So beautiful leaves are growing. I have changed soil of this plant. I want to take better result. I used 50% soil and 50% coco peat. I will change pot mixing for take better result. I will show you how to take soil mix. I have mixed 50% coco peat and 50% soil. I am mixing vermicompost compost only 20%. Three days later, we can see so amazing result. I always show you truth.